Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the market's always worked.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, good morning. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. Let's get this money. Ooh. So, what are we looking at here? GJ, yesterday, recap. Took a nice little win yesterday. Took our 15 pips right there. Came down, hit our first target. Pulled back up, retested, came back, hit again. Could have had a second opportunity there. And then for the rest of the day, basically consolidated here. It looked like it broke out up here during the London session. That's a quick recap. But you know how we do top-down analysis. And we start with clean charts. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of everything. Before I do that, I want to look at the news. See what we see. We're good till 7:30 p.m. AUD. And then tomorrow, 7:30 a.m., 9:30 a.m., and 12. We got a lot of news for USD tomorrow, so we got to be aware of that. All right, so let's do this. Weekly, what do we see? Got this current trend to the upside. It looks, I mean, it's creating a bullish candle for the week. We still got 3 days to go here. Obviously, we have resistance up here. We have support down here. We have this downtrend that it looks like it's breaking out of, right? And then we have this huge trend, right? This is weekly, things to pay attention to. I know it looks a little messy, but stay with me, guys. Stay with me. What do we see here? Heavy wicks. Currently moving bullish, testing the price from 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks ago. Okay, so from a month ago, testing the price. Look at the daily. What do we see here? We have this moving to the downside. Right, testing the top of this here. I would look for potentially breaking to the upside, because remember, on the weekly we're pushing up and we're just about here testing that right there. Yesterday we finished bearish candle. We had this push up here, indecision reversal, bearish candle, and then all of a sudden today we just had this huge push up. Right. So this is engulfing this. We still got 10 hours on this candle though. You know, and I would look for this candle to break this market structure before being convinced that we're going up. Right. That's on the daily. Let's see if we can get some support resistance on the 4 hour. All right. Right away, we're gonna see this right here. we're literally right at that level, and then we see this down here too. you know, and I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour to refine here, because you see this right here. I want to make sure I include this. So I'm gonna come down just a bit there, go up just a bit there, a little more solid right there. I'm gonna come down to the 30 minutes, see if I can identify some ranges. Now I identify these two zones right here because this here right here now, what we see here in this area, this is our potential trade zone. This is our range, right? This is our range. Like our trade range, where we have our opportunities, right? So, but what we want to look for is potential areas. So from here, you know, we have this nice clean traffic to the left where it's going right now. Got about 5 minutes left on this candle. But it's wicking right here, and really I would probably look to go below this wick, to close below this wick, because then I know we'd be looking to fill this candle, 7 pips there, and probably to the next level here, 26 pips. Okay. So I would look for crossing down, candle close, that level. And the reason I put it down here is because I want to avoid these wicks. It's just a little messy right there. Okay, now to the upside. The upside, I mean, breaking above here, really. Put it right there. Right there, we got this nice clean range this way. Test this, boom, about 19 pips before we hit this resistance. Okay, so we can do candle close to the top, crossing up, candle close, boom. This range right here would be about 20 pips. I think within there we can grab our 15-20 pips, leave a runner, you know. So to the top here, go ahead and mark these areas. We pass that right there, that area. Okay. The potential right there is 25 pips, 26 pips. To the downside, if we move to the downside here, we're looking at right here, there, right there, and probably the bottoms of these wicks. Right. We crossed that. I mean, we melted up here, but you know, first level here about 26 pips, 32, 30, 40, about 50 pips, 45 pips here. Remember, we're just coming in, trying to get 15, 20 pips and get out. All right. Super thirsty this morning. All right. So let me share this chart, save chart image, copy link to the chart image. I think this was like an update or something. All right, I'm gonna send this out in the chat. But let me know if you guys can see. Can you guys see me in the chat? And this thing always like, I don't know. Let me know if you guys can see that link in the chat. Give me a thumbs up, say okay or something. I don't share this one in the Discord. Guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a live. In the description I have a link to my Discord. I send out trade setups in there. I answer questions, education, you know, share charts, all the good stuff. I would tell you that in here on my lives, these are scalp trades. These are, we're gonna trade them right now live. We're gonna make our money live and we're gonna get out. For the stuff that I send out on my Discord, that's gonna be more of a long-term swing trade. Just so you know kind of how the setup is. I don't send out the trades that I do on my lives on the Discord because most of the time they move too quick, and if you miss it, you miss it, man. You got to be here in the lives for that. So, hey, you guys can see the link. Okay, cool. Appreciate it, bro. All right, so there's the setup for GJ. Take a picture, screenshot it, do what you got to do. Remember, guys, when you're looking at this and marking it up on yours, pay attention to the area where the candles are for the prices, not the price. The price is irrelevant. The price can vary. Your broker's not going to have the same price I'm going to have. Brokers are going to be different. They're going to vary slightly. So just pay attention to where I'm setting the areas, the candles. Okay, that's what you need to pay attention to. Let's look at gold. So yesterday we set up this right here, set up for gold. Look at this. I mean, it went basically, what did we start right here around 5? Came up, came all the way down. Once it broke, came down. You could have made your 15-20 pips right there, and then it came back up, pushed down again. So still valid. If you would have saved this setup, you still caught it. I didn't trade gold yesterday though. After the win yesterday, I just stayed off the charts. Clean the charts, clean charts, clean charts. Let's start top-down analysis, baby. All right. What do we see? Weekly, we're bearish. Okay, but it looks like it wicked down here, tested this pricing down here, and is rejecting from it. So it could be pushing up. We'll see. Look at the daily. And we had strong news last week, Friday and Monday. It was reacting to that. So, you know, this is basically that information that strong pushed down. It was crazy, man. I mean, like, thing went down. How many pips is... Man, what is this, like 1,200 pips? Jesus. This is crazy. It's moving like an indice. Alright. Anyways. So we see this bounce off here. Bounce off, bounce off, bounce off. See the pattern here? Double bottom, boom. Hit this, rejected like massively. Said nah. So maybe we could be starting to complete this pattern right here. Right. This could be here. A touch right here. Start moving this way. You guys see that? That's on the daily though. It's high time frame. So let's look at the 4-hour so we can get some support resistance here. And I'm leaving this down here because it's a touch where it's still valid, you know, daily and the 4-hour. Otherwise we don't have a range here. Tops right here. Focus on this area, right? So this is like a real big area, so we want to kind of break this down just a little bit more. And it's because we had this huge impulse move, right? So we'll go ahead and mark this area right here too, because look, yesterday it came up, pushed up into this area, and then pulled back down. And really, like, we even have this little support right here. See that? Let's look at the 1 hour. So we have this little range right here. Right? I mean, this range alone right here is enough to eat off of. Yeah, I mean, 245 pips right there to make it happen. Let's look at the 30 minutes, see if we can find trading range for the day. So, you know, I'd probably say moving higher than here. We have a range right here, about 30 pips, 50 pips, 72, 89, 100, 127. What I'm looking at is right here, look, these levels, boom. And I'll mark out the levels for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. These are just levels to pay attention to, you know. These are potential targets, right? Now moving to the downside, I would probably say breaking, and you know what, I'd probably put it below the wicks, which ends up being, you know, falling under this right here. So I'm gonna set an alert here. Alert crossing up, candle close. I'm going to set an alert here, crossing down, candle close, boom. Alright, because here we move down, I mean, we have target right there, huge wick down here, target there, target there. I think we have more of a play to the downside. 50 pips right there, 200 there, 300 there, and it's a huge move to the downside. But I don't think it's going to move to the downside just because it's, I mean, it rejected it, really, and it's pushed up. So huge push up, pull back. This is going to consolidate for a bit before it jumps down again. Hopefully not. Hopefully we can at least get a little move to one of these targets. Remember guys, our job as traders is not to predict price. Our job is to react to price, okay? I don't care what anyone tells you. I know a lot of people out there, oh, what's your bias? You know, look at your analysis and where's the trend going? The trend is your friend. You gotta always go that direction. Look, man, at the end of the day, I'll tell you that it's important to trade what you see and not what you think, okay? At the end of the day, price is king and it can do crazy things, okay? I don't mean to be going on a tangent and rhyming here, but I'm trying to get you guys to understand that, you know, we start putting these rules in our mind to say, oh, it's gotta reverse. Oh, it's gotta go this way. The market ain't gotta do shit, man. The market ain't gotta do shit. The market's gonna do whatever it wants to do. Okay, so you have to always be looking at this in a way where you're understanding that the market is going to move in whichever form, fashion it wants to move, and we just have to be able to like adjust to that. We have to be ready for either way that it goes. And we're just coming in to get a little slice of the pie. We're not looking for the whole move. You know what I'm saying? I set these targets here, but I'm not looking for this whole move. I'm coming in here, taking 20 pips, closing out 80%, adjusting my stop loss to break even, and then just letting it ride. If it comes back and hits my stop loss, hey, I lose nothing. I closed out 80%, made some money. If it keeps running up, hey, that's bonus. That's bonus money, baby. I don't know how else to make it easy for you guys. Like, you can't get greedy, hold your whole position to the end target, because it may not get there. Okay? Like, you have to understand these little things and make sure you come in with an open mind, get your bag, and get out. Day in, day out. You know, this is how you compound, bro. Like, most people have a small account and can't seem to grow it. It's because you keep trying to fucking hit home runs. You know what I'm saying? Stop trying to hit home runs and start trying to just hit a... Oh, you know what? Look at this level here. This candle just closed 9 minutes ago. Up, and there's just a nice range right here. Close right here. Nice range. Pips to the top. And it already moved down, made its move down, so about 30 pips there. First target 50 pips. 4. I like this right here. What does the Chinese indicator tell us? Ooh. The loser's telling us. We're short. We're not in a trade yet, guys. If you're just joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. We have setups on gold and GJ, and you know what? I didn't send out the gold one, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that in the chat. Congratulations. I don't share these on the Discord, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a Discord link in the description. Free Discord, sending out trade setups throughout the day on there. I don't send out the live setups that I do on YouTube on Discord. So you're lucky. You're winning because yesterday, Monday, I only did the live trade because I didn't get a setup, and it's Monday. You know, you don't want to. Mondays are low volume days, and sometimes there are no trade days. So Tuesday we should be good here. Like, we're creating some nice market structure. Like, here was the last low, here's now the new current low. So, like, I mean, just from this pattern right here, honestly, like, this looks like a nice pattern. I'd probably put it down here. Like, if you're looking for a long-term target here, you know, and test this area. It actually looks like a nice setup, to be honest. To be quite honest, we got 17 minutes here. I don't know if I want to jump into this. I mean, this candle did push up here. The only thing is that there's not a wick to the bottom, so kind of iffy about it. But this is a sign of reversal here. Last dip, getting some liquidity, huge push up. So actually, yeah, I'm gonna jump into this, man. I'm gonna jump into a buy here. Let me look at the 15-minute. I kind of want to take my way here. What is this range right here? Time is it 6:14? At about 45 minutes before New York opens, about 27 pip range right there. So really, I think I can move this up. Move this up right here. See, this is the benefits of live trading. Like, when you're trying to come in and out, like this is a clear level of support right there, right? This is a bullish engulfing candle, okay? This is giving us the wick to the downside. We got about 15 minutes left on there, about half the time, and we can expect it to go up. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. I am gonna go ahead and buy this. I'm gonna put my stops here. About a 32 pip stop loss. And I'm targeting this area actually up here. But remember, I'm just looking to get 20 pips and be out. Oh shit, it's the wrong one. Okay, I'm in this thing, I'm gonna buy. And my price that I got in at is 17.31. Yeah, good price, but whatever. All good. My stops are below here, and I'm targeting 15-20 pips, and then I'm closing out 80% of my trade. So 15 pips is there. We are in an active trade, guys. We are in an active trade. We are in an active trade, currently down a pip. Currently in an active trade here. Oh, come on now, don't do that. About 13 minutes here. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We're currently in an active trade, guys. I jumped in here on a buy on gold. And this thing is pushing up over here. And let me tell you why I jumped in here. Because the market structure that it's creating, the support that it created here, because it created the support here and it was a bullish engulfing candle. Really, I started by looking at this candle here. On the 30-minute chart, we have this doji, this bullish doji, which is a sign of price exhaustion of the current direction, which was coming down, and potential reversal. Okay, usually gold, once it gives you this printed candle, it doesn't automatically go the next way. It comes down and grabs liquidity, so all these people are coming for continuing to sell because they see the price coming down, traps all those sellers, and then continues to the upside. Now this candle here engulfed these two candles. Okay, So by seeing that this candle closed bullish engulfing, and I'm getting in here now, currently in drawdown about 10 pips, but like I said, I do feel like we can come up and get these 15 pips before it comes to create new lows, hopefully. So I mean, right now we're down we're in drawdown. We've got to stay a little patient here. We've got about 10 and a half minutes left on this candle. Oh baby, let's go. Push up. Push up, push up. Push up, push up. Down about 6 pips here. See, this is 30. So we got about 40 minutes before New York Open. Yeah, I mean, I think this is gonna push up for a bit. I think we definitely have an opportunity here. Come on, baby, let's go. Hopefully you guys were able to jump in on that. I know, you know, our trade range is up here, guys, but sometimes you see things and you just know, like, you just react to it. Like, you know, I'm just reacting to price, what I saw here, what I saw here, what I saw here, you know, because I mean, when we started this, this hadn't formed yet, you know, like we started in the middle of this right here, and then when we saw this form out, like, had to, you know, react to that. Man, this thing is starting to move here. Down about 15 pips here. Come on now, push up. Being patient here, guys. It's a waiting game. It's a patient game. Patient pays. No. Got about 6.5 minutes left here on the candle. Complete beginner here, only watching time. Hopefully I can try doing this next time. Welcome, Carolina. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're in my Discord check out the pinned messages, and it'll kind of help you get started. You know, if you're getting started, like one of the couple things you need is you need a broker. You need to sign up with the broker. You need to have your MetaTrader 4 platform so you can enter buys and sells, and you know, just join the lives and join the Discord. Here to answer questions if you have them. You know, I do this live analysis, top-down analysis, Monday through Friday. On the lives. You know, all the sessions are posted, you know, on my channel. You can go back there when you have time and just look at some of the old sessions. You know, I give a lot of value in there, a lot of education in there. So check those things out. And in the Discord, I have some of the main ones linked in there that have some really good info, like getting set up and, you know, creating your trading plan and what you need to be aware of. But welcome. Thanks for joining. We're currently in drawdown here, like 11 pips. But got about 5 minutes left in the candle. Thank you so much. I'll check out. Thanks for the problem. I'm here for it. Got some push down. I'm trying to get it to push up. Don't do me this way. So if you're just joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday. New York session, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss our lives. The trades I do in the live, I don't send out in my Discord. Discord link is in the description. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are currently in a live trade. We're currently in a drawdown here. Close to stops are got about 3 minutes, so I'm hoping this is gonna just pull back here and start moving to the top to the top. We had a nice little W yesterday, and we were in drawdown a bit, and then it came down and really pushed our direction. Nice. It's always nice to start a Monday on a win. W. About 2.5 minutes left here. Oh man, what are you doing? Come on now. Don't do that. Got about a minute left here on this candle. Thirty seconds left. Got about 30 minutes before New York open. Currently in pre-New York. The 1 hour here. Hour. Come on, baby. I need you to fly. What's GJ doing? Got about 20 pips here. Just being patient here, guys. We are in a little bit of drawdown here. If you're just jumping on the stream, welcome. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. We are in an active trade for gold, currently in drawdown. Down about 22 pips here. Moving towards our stops. Uh-oh. Changing direction now. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's take it all the way back. Come on now. Come on now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Pushing up. Pushing up. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Give me all you got. Give me all you got. Need 15, 20 pips, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, push, push, push. Come on now. Ugh. Oh. Being patient here, guys. Just be patient. Patient pays. Patience pays. That's funny. Come on, baby, push up. Push up. Go, push, push, push. Let's go. Coming all the way back. Coming all the way back. Y'all see this? Being patient here, guys. We got about 20 minutes left on this candle. Currently pushing bullish. Got about 20 minutes before New York open. I am looking for that. I'm looking for that New York volume to come in and give us that push up to get the 15-20 pips. Should be a nice push at that point. Wild, wild. Come on, baby. Push. Push. If you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks, and I am in an active trade. Currently in drawdown on gold. Took a buy. And just waiting for it to come up and hit our targets here. What GJ's doing. DJ's pushing up a bit here, testing this top level. Come on, gold. Come on, gold. Let's push, baby. Push. Push, push, push. Let's go. Let's go. We got about 18 minutes left here on this candle. Guys, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Still waiting here. Gold is taking its time here. Got about 15 minutes before New York open. We are being patient. We are waiting for that volume to come in, push up. Keith Lee Chronicles. Hey man, we appreciate you trading live and streaming it like you do. It really does help us to hear what you're thinking and what you're seeing on the charts as it plays out. Yes sir, that's why I do it, man, because I know like it's one thing to send out a signal and just get a breakdown analysis afterwards, but the thing is that like after it's happened, it's not the same. You know, the emotional portion of it is a huge part, because you know it's up to you to make a decision to pull the trigger, to take your profit, to cut your losses and all that. So like as I'm going through this, I'm talking to you what I'm thinking, you know, And I think it's a huge help because then you see where the frame of mind is. You know, like, you know where we are right now. I mean, we're coming back from drawdown. Some new people might have taken this and got into drawdown, freaked out, and maybe got out. You know, I'm still in this thing. I mean, it's pushed back up. Like, I'm waiting. I'm being patient. You gotta be patient. You gotta have self-discipline. You gotta follow your plan. You know, I mean, I put here that if it's coming below here, then I'm gonna get out. Right? This is where I'm like, okay, it's no longer what I'm thinking it is. You know. So you're welcome, Keith Lee Chronicles, and everyone else checking out the live. You know, if you have questions, you know, jump in the chat. Let me know. If you're watching this after the fact, after the live, comment with your questions. I answer all comments. And if you have a chart that you want me to look at, you want me to look at your analysis and give you some feedback, you can say share it in the chat. The only thing is you have to, if you're on TradingView, go on here, save chart image first. Save chart image. Oh wait, no, that. It's not, doesn't give the, they changed it again. I don't know how we're gonna do it now. You can try copy link to the chart and then send it to me. But I think like the YouTube blocks links or something. Or what you can do is just share whatever is after tradingview.com. Like the / says, and maybe it'll send me there. Check it out. Come on, baby. Let's go. Push up. Got about 13.5 minutes here before New York Open. Remember, New York Open is going to have volume. Expecting to have some nice volume. Push us up. At least get to our level here. Take our profit, secure our bag. We'll close at this point right here. You know what? I'll go ahead and write this out so you guys. Close 80% and adjust stop loss to break even. And then you leave a runner to, I mean, if we keep running up, we'll just keep running up. The 20% is a bonus pay, and if it comes back, hits our stop loss at break even, hey, we didn't lose anything. You know, that's the name of the game. We'll run it up if it decides to run up, and if it doesn't, hey, we already secured our bag, 80%. Good. Come on, baby. Let's go. Push up. Push up, push up, push up. Got about 12 minutes here left. Waiting on this thing to play out. Come on, baby. Push, push. Guys, if you haven't joined my Discord yet, check out the link in the description. It's a free Discord, free community. I'm sending out trade setups on there, swing setups, providing education, answering questions, giving links to resources, different videos. Pretty active in there throughout the day. So if you have anything, you definitely jump in there and ciao. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Push, 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 push. Got about 5 pips now. We're pushing. Baby, push. Got about 10 minutes left before New York Open. New York Open should be our nice volume coming in. Get us to that level to take our 80%. We got to be like, you know, one thing about the market, if you're greedy, it'll humble you real quick. Okay? Like, you have to, whatever your 80% is, you have to be okay with that. Like, because we're coming in just taking a small bite of a bigger pie. Okay? But the thing is that we're going to take that bite every day. We're going to eat every day. Okay? You're going to be compounding your account like that. Like, I know some of you guys may have small accounts right now, and 15 pips may be just a couple dollars, okay? Maybe $10, maybe $20. But you work that up, like, you have the $10, $20 days to work up to $50 days, to work up to $100 days, to work up to $500 days, to work up to $1,000 days. Then you get to, you know, play with some bigger numbers, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000. Like, it's all relative. Like, the pips with the strategy is the same. You just keep coming in, getting your portion, and then getting out, you know. And for the most part, most of you guys need to just come in and get your quick 15, 20 pips and get out and stay out. The problem is some of you guys want to keep trading all day because you think, oh, I won already, I know what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna keep trading because the more I trade, the more I can make. And that's wrong, because the probability is the more that you trade, the more likely it is that you're gonna lose the money that you made and some. That's the problem. But you guys aren't okay with that. You guys aren't okay coming in getting the 15 to 20 pips Monday through Friday at the end of the week, withdrawing half your profits or 80%, whatever your plan is, you know, taking your money and then thanking the markets and coming back doing it again next week. So you guys want to become a millionaire yesterday. And that kind of like mindset is what clouds your judgment when you're making decisions on the charts. That's just a little success nugget there for you guys. Still holding here. We got about 7.5 minutes waiting for this New York volume. Looks like we're finally back at break even here. Starting to push up into a little bit of profit. Roma, what's good, brother? Hadn't seen you in a minute. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the party. Let's get it, bro. We're literally at break even if you're trying to jump into this gold trade. Push. Guys, if you're brand new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex. New York session, Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. Central to 8:30 a.m. Central. If you're new, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification button so you don't miss any of my lives. And if you've gotten any value so far, hit the like button for me, guys. I mean, it costs you nothing, but it helps me gain exposure to help other people that are in this industry, lost, trying to find their way, trying to become profitable. You know, at the end of the day, this is what I'm doing it for. I'm just trying to help as many people as I can. I don't charge for none of these services. Not like your other furus out there that are charging you guys for whack-ass signals, whack-ass education. That's how they make their money. They make their money off of you guys, of charging you guys for their courses. Ooh, let's go, baby, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. We're up about 7 pips here, 8 pips. We're about halfway to our first target here. Ooh, let's get it, baby, let's get it. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Hit the first target. Once we hit this target right here, I'm closing 80% and adjusting my stop loss to break even. We do not want to give the market back anything. Come on, baby. Push, push. This is what patience does, baby. Patience pays. Come on now, push. Got about 5 minutes left here before New York Open. That volume is coming in. Come on now, push, push. About 10 pips here, about 5 pips away from our target level. Oh, nice. Come on now, push, push. One more big push here. One more big push for me. One more big push. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Here we go. Damn, Roma, you came in just in time, brother. Push, baby, push. Come on now. Come on now. Push, push. We got about 4.5 minutes here. This is nice because it's breaking, the price is breaking above all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, which is a good sign for us. Good sign for us. We are currently in an active trade. We're currently in profit after riding that drawdown. Come on, baby. I just want to hit you up here 15 pips and closing 80%. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, pushing up a bit. Go, let's go. Come on. Come on now, push, push, push. Almost there, almost there, almost there. About 13, 14 pips away. I mean, 3, 4 pips away, sorry. Here we go. Here we go. All right, get ready, guys, to close 80%. Adjust your stop loss to break even. In about 2 pips here, we're about to hit our target. Come on, baby. Come on. What is this, like freaking 1 pip away? Well, come on now. Come on now. Got about 2.5 minutes left here for New York Open. Push, baby, push, push, push. Man, we're like 1 pip away there. The dollar index, what it looks like number wise, but because you know, dollar push up, this one way push. Hey, all right, we hit it, baby. Let's go. 80% close out, 80% adjust your stop losses to break even. We took another W here, baby. You're welcome. Congratulations. Thanks for joining. We're on our winning streak. We're starting August off right. We hit a W yesterday. We hit another W today. Nobody should be losing nothing today. It should be breaking even. You should have a runner here. You should already secured your bag with 80%, and that's it, baby. That's how you do it. This was a drawdown that we had to be patient and hold on to, and we just had to continue to ride this thing up. We were patient. We took our 15 pips. Hit our target. We have a 20% runner, and we have our stop losses at break even. So we're not losing anything, but if it grows up, That's bonus pay, baby. Bonus pay. Congratulations, guys, if you took that trade with me. Today, you guys are winners. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Secured that bag. Secured that bag. Yes, sir. I wish you guys could hear that. Hopefully my Discord people jumped on the live because yes, baby, let's get it. Let's get it. Who took that trade with me? If you took that trade with me, give me a like. Give me a like on the stream on YouTube here, so you know, we can help others gain exposure, reach the other people that need to be trading with us. We do this live every day, Monday through Friday. We're here to win, baby. Look at this. Here comes the New York volume. New York volume's coming in. And this may come and stop us out at our break even for the 20%, but that's okay because we already secured the bag. This is just extra play money. You know, I'm not worried about that. We took our money. Look at this. Look how exact here. This thing literally came up maybe 1 pip above. And then like closed that candle there and it's pushing down, but look at this engulfing, like boom, boom. Uh-oh, there goes our 20% runner. Looking like it wants to go into profit. I love it, man. I love this game. I love this game. And what's crazy, man, is that I bet you anything, I got in here and some people were like, oh no, it's in drawdown. I bet you people got out. I bet you people lost. But we didn't lose. Not today. Not today, baby. Not today. Feels good to be a winner, doesn't it? That's what you get when you come over here with Lord Banks. Steady feeding you guys. Steady feeding you guys. All day, man. I can do this all day. I just wanted to see how this candle was going to open up. We have a 20% runner. Ooh, let's get it. Let's go. 20% runner. Run it up. Run it up, baby. Run it up. Woo. Let's get it. Let's get it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's get this money, baby. Let's get this money. It's only Tuesday too, y'all. Whew. Man, we're securing serious bags this week. Serious bags. This is perfect timing, man. I'm going to Vegas this weekend, and I'm gonna have a nice little nugget to take with me. Have a good time. I'm going up for a friend's birthday, actually. Ooh, let's go. Let's go. Look at that 20% runner, baby. Look at that 20% runner. She's just running. We're gonna let her run. We're gonna let her run. Sheesh. She is running. I love it, man. I love gold. I love the way gold moves. You just gotta know how she moves, because sometimes she'll be all up against you, thinking you the best, and then take it all away from you. That's why it's important to take profits, to close partials, to adjust your stop loss to break even, like, you know, because this could have easily came down and wicked down. Like, we don't want to hold on to this and then risk like you know, your money. Like, at this point, this is all extra free money. Look at this. All this is extra free money. An extra 10 pips with the 20% runner. Like, it doesn't get better than that, guys. This is what it's about, and I do this live here. For the ones that are just joining, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. We took a live trade here, hit our first target, closed 80%. We adjusted our stop loss to break even. We have a 20% runner that is running it up. and we're sitting here nice like winners on Tuesday. Yes, sir. Tuesday, August 10th here. Took a nice little win, and we did it all live. Congratulations to all you guys that joined on time, jumped in on the trade, held with me. Thanks for playing the game. Hopefully you guys made some money. I'll be in the Discord all day today. If you have any questions, if you have anything you want to go over, make sure you're jumping in the general chat, asking questions in the question chat. Trade setups are in the trade setups chat. Other than that, guys, I'm about to jump off. I took my bag. You know, there's no need to take any more. I'm not looking to be greedy here. I'm gonna let the 20% runner run to this level. You know, if it comes up and I start seeing exhausting, you know, I'll take the profit at 10 pips more, 15 pips more, whatever it may be. But, you know, I'm not trying to be greedy. Anything extra is extra. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for keeping me company. Thanks so much for you know, following me and taking, you know, my trades. I appreciate it if you guys could give me a like, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for another bag. Other than that, let me know if you need anything in the comments. If you're watching this afterwards, or jump in the Discord, the link is in my description. All right, much love, guys. I appreciate you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.